Okay.
We are here for our second installment of Murmur Girl. Ladies and gentlemen, she's preparing to mount the garbage disposal, and she's also going to install it.
Is this what went down the garbage disposal? No
It could
wonder
be.
it fell off.
Use the necessary tools at your disposal, Murmur Girl, and don't knock over your wine glass.
Oh, gee whiz.
Will you two spectators please calm down?
I need a glass of wine.
Her lazy friends have gathered together to video this for posterity.
We're not lazy. We've had surgery.
Yes, they've been in intensive care for 6 months.
Getting our nails done.
Murmur Girl is on task, though, ladies and gentlemen. If you watch how deft she is with these tools. Oh, and there's the hot starch injector. She's pulling out all the stops, ladies and gentlemen. You can say she has a heart murmur. Me, I think she's the most brilliant woman in America. She just returned from Vancouver. She left her boyfriend, Mr. Schaffner, out there.
Shatner.
Shatner, hand me another glass of wine.
Here, just
Heart Murmur Girl's got the wine.
Murmur Girl. You know, they say wine is good for the heart. Not 3 or 4 bottles a day, but, you know.
And you know what? Is this the tube that went from the garbage disposal to the outlet? No wonder it broke.
We just bought that because it has such a phallic resemblance.
Oh, and look, I can't even pick up this garbage disposal. It almost hit my head when it fell.
Well, your head's nothing wrong with your head, it's your heart.
You're right, it is.
This is a gold medal event, ladies and gentlemen.
Here is the notorious garbage disposal
Well, you know,
that I
that's,
can barely pick up.
that's a disposal for a 5-star restaurant that we've tried to mount here in the modest home in Brentwood.
Okay, guys, it's too heavy for me. Heart Murmur Girl cannot install it tonight.
Well, why don't you go outside and shovel the sidewalks then?
Quit being a sniveling female.
If it would only snow, she'd have something to do.